Yo, this your boy Dominoes 7 here, and this your boy Dominoes 7 birthday! Yay! Alright. So anyway, I want to know who's watching this Facebook Live right now, you know? So anyway, y'all don't have to wish me a happy birthday on the video. Okay, but you can wish me a happy birthday on the timeline, you know? Okay. So anyway, Dominoes 7 here, Domino chilling. Okay, my friend Allie just wished me a happy birthday, you know. Or should I say Ali? Well, there's a way to spell Ali and all that. Allie, you know. Okay, all right. So anyway, I better cut that out before Allie kicks my butt. Yes, indeed. It's Dominoes 7's birthday, and Dominoes 7 gonna have a good time Saturday, you know. About to go get something for the party and stuff like that. Excuse me for that. If y'all saw that, sorry about that, you know. Not supposed to be doing that on my show like that, you know. Okay. So it's your boy Dominoes 7 birthday, having a ball and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, folks, wish your boy Dominoes 7 happy birthday, happy birthday, you know. And Rocky and Muggsy are dumb. Don't know how to spell birthday, you know. Well, I don't know why I say that, okay? You know, come on. All right, so anyway, as I was saying, folks, we gonna have it big, you know. For some people that don't know Dominoes 7, you know. I mean, I don't know who watched the Dominoes 7 show. Y'all probably watched my show on Facebook Live, you know, and Facebook and stuff like that. If y'all would get the damn memo, if y'all get the damn memo, well, some people don't get the memo, you know. I don't know why some people don't get the memo. And if you grease your hands, don't touch that squeaky pot. A box of griddle and a glass of water. Listen to it fizz, or something like that. Boo boo. Oh, okay. So, all right. I'm gonna stop this tape, okay? And I'm gonna be prepared for my party Saturday, okay? Bye.